Sixth number I am taking, children. It is good for you to take a walk every morning. So we take here, you should take, means what is in place of is I am taking here. So you should take a walk every morning. Number seventh is, it is strongly advised that you don't stand on your head. So answer is here, you must not stand on your head. Must is coming here, strongly advised here, means must is coming in it. Next I am taking, children, what is, as he has a cold, it is better for him to go to bed. As he has a cold, he should go to bed. In exercise number 2, I am taking, children. What is here 2? I am taking page number 135. You should, must, ought to appropriately in the following sentences. Just like very properly you have to see these answers. I am telling to you. People who live in glass house should not throw stones. Means what is answer? Should. Number 2, you must wipe your feet before coming into the house. Why must? Especially during the rains. Number 6, third, you ought to do what the teacher tells you. Which it is must. Important here. The pupils were told that they should write more neatly. They should write more neatly. Number 5th, shine in front of a park. You must not walk on the grass. There is a sign in front of the park. Number 6th, you must be ashamed of yourself having made such a remarks. Number 8th is, he left home at 9 o'clock. He should be here any minute. May should there is here. Number 8, whatever happened to the chocolate cake? How should I know I have just arrived? Means I have just arrived. Number 3rd, I am taking, children, here. There is 3rd given. 2 or more single sentences can be combined to form a single sentence. Read this is here. I made an effort and was pleased with myself. So what is here? This sentence is in fact a combination of 2 sentences. I made an effort, I was pleased with myself, and here conjunction what is here? And. Students, I am taking 4th number. N acts as a prefix. Prefix there is, or as a suffix. Means what we are taking to form now words, new words there. Just like N plus courage, encourage. Weak plus N, weaken. So means N at the beginning or at the end of a word is not always a prefix or a suffix. It is then an integral part of the word here. Just like ding. Ending is given here, it is not here. Barren. In both places this is not a suffix or prefix. Number 1 I am taking here. Now arrange the words given in the box under the 3 headings: prefix, suffix, and part of the word. Just like encourage. So what are we looking here? We are looking this one. We have to arrange these words in a proper column. Just like number 1 is here, prefix there is. So prefix means encourage, endanger. We are taking endanger, enclose, enable. And suffix there is barren. This is barren given here. Barren, fasten, even there is, and weaken. This is given. And then part of word: dampen, soften, listen, enclave. These you have to arrange in a proper order. Students, I am taking these. Find new words in your notebook, textbook, and put them under the same headings. We are finding here just like encode, encase, encircle. Suffix there is forgotten, sweeten, loosen, and part of word here garden, dozen, and enough. These are given here, children, and these all you have to complete now in a book properly, so that you can study it now properly. And I hope these are confirmed to you everything, and these picture also present in front of you can complete properly. So we will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.